Good morning, welcome to today's pre-market video. I do this every day just before the Nigerian equity market opens, where I share my thoughts on stocks I will be watching today. As always, please note that nothing I say is investment or trading advice or personal finance advice. They are not stock picks. Please do your own research. Past performance is no guarantee of future performance. I or anyone else on the team may or may not hold a position in any of these investments discussed on the channel. We may or we may not also take a position or exit a position after we discuss anything on the channel. It's important to give that clarity. What happens on this channel? This is a run through in case you're just joining for the first time. Thank you for joining. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe so you don't miss out. 9:45 a.m. on Spotify and everywhere you listen to audio. You get the pre-market at this. Essentially, you're going to get this in pidgin. At 12:30 p.m. midday updates on YouTube, 5 p.m. daily market summary on Substack, 7 p.m. daily market summary on Spotify and other audio platforms, 8 p.m. rounding up the coverage on the channel today. You get the daily market summary on YouTube here and on Twitter at Green Ticker Tail. For more content, you can find the Green Ticker Tails podcast on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, YouTube Music. All links are in my bio on YouTube. If you're not sure or you'd like to have the links and you're not watching this on YouTube, I think maybe I'd have this go on LinkedIn. It's been a while. I did so, then you can just drop a comment. Website, greentickertails.com. Criteria for my watch list is quite simple. First, price and volume movement, as well as corporate actions. Corporate actions are any announcements made by a firm. So far today, I think maybe the only corporate action we had yesterday was linkage assurance, but I'll go check before we end the video if there are any key corporate action. ASO savings still pushing higher. The stock gained a bit over 9% yesterday. Last week it gained, I think, about a bit over 50% as well. So it's up almost over 60% in the last 6 or so trading sessions. The volumes are gradually lowering. The bid volumes are gradually lowering. So I think that some of this momentum is beginning to dip in this stock. And the stock has also crossed the 1 naira mark, which from a psychological standpoint is a key place to be. So I think you may see the gains slow down, or it's even possible people who gained over 50% last week may decide to take profit today. Honeywell Flour and Northern Nigeria Flour Mills. Honeywell Flour was the worst performing stock yesterday, down 10%. Northern Nigeria Flour Mills fell by a bit over 9% or so. So poor H1 numbers released last week. I think market isn't happy with that. It's possible we may see further decline in these stocks today. It's also possible people may buy. For Northern Nigeria Flour Mills, I've noticed that once the stock is trading sub 90, you start to see some trading action pushing it above that. So people may see it as a bargain. But those numbers are weak. The Senko space that we held, I think, not the Senko space, the Infoware space we held, I gave my views on those stocks. I think Q1 next year would be, by that time, would see numbers for October, November, December, and then maybe we may see uptick. But till then, I don't see anything that's fundamentally that will move this stock or these two stocks. Aradel has been in play in the last few weeks. Post ACA exiting, stock has been on a big bounce. Then it retraced in the last couple of days. I think it will recover in today's trading session. The market has generally been on a downturn. So that may be one of the factors that's pushing Aradel downwards. But I think you may see some recovery today. TIP, you may see some further decline in the price of TIP. The offer price and the rights issue price are trading way lower than where the current market price is. So it's very likely you may see maybe a slight downturn. You may also see the stock stay within range. Let's see how it shapes out today. Questions you can drop in the comment section or send an email to info@greentickertails.com. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Have a great day. See you in 3.5 hours time with the midday update.